This morning, we're exploring the gardens of the Fox Cities.
Emily Deem is live in Appleton with more. Hi, Em.
Good morning, Rachel and Pete. Hi, everybody. We are in the Scheig Learning Center this morning at Gardens of the Fox Cities, and this is what spring should look like, right, Rachel and Pete? Beautiful green growth, and that's what's going on inside here. Hans Schultz is here with me this morning because we want to tell everybody what Gardens of the Fox Cities is all about. This is really the start to your season, right, Hans?
Absolute, Emily. We are a 38-acre facility located within Memorial Park in Appleton. We have been operating here for over 20 years, and we are actually waiting on 14,000 tulips and daffodils right now.
Oh my gosh.
So spring is coming here at the garden.
Yeah, look at these pictures that we have. That's what we really want to see, Hans, right now. Not the brown that's outside. We want to see the beautiful growth that you have.
Absolutely. That was a shot that was taken during our Blooms Festival last year. Next week is Earth Week. We're very excited on Monday to have Melinda Myers with us. She is a renowned horticulturist, and she will be here on Monday, April 22nd from 4 to 5, and she will be talking about getting your garden revived.
Yeah.
So perfect timing.
And here's a picture down here of her. I've seen some of her stuff. She has really great work.
Absolutely. We are excited to have her. And as you said, spring is here and it's ready, and we're excited about it. We're excited about the start of the season. You
know, you have a really big heirloom sale that's going on, and that's why all of these are growing if you want to take a look at it. I mean, just a ton of plants that you're going to have out there, Hans. It's really amazing. And as I look at some of these, I see the names. Love in a Mist, Painted Tongue. These names are pretty unique, but this is what the sale is all about. It's the heirloom sale. Susan Urbanak is here with me this morning too. You handed me this pamphlet and there were just tons and tons of plants. Tell me about this sale and why it's so big for you.
The heirloom plant sale is actually one of our major fundraisers here at the gardens. We have over 50 varieties of tomatoes and peppers coming up. We're growing them here in the gardens and then also out in our greenhouse, which we hope to show you a little later.
Yeah, definitely. And I know you have a lot of plants here because there are a ton of other stuff that people are going to be able to see at this plant sale, and that's going to be happening in May, and you can go to our website for that. But there are even some stuff that are growing outside. You showed me a little bit earlier this morning, right?
Tulips are coming up. They're starting. They're about 4 inches out of the ground, so just pray for a little more sunshine.
And once the sun comes up, we'll hopefully be able to show you those. Yes. Well, go to our website if you want to learn more information. We'll send it back to you, Rachel and Pete.
Thanks, Em.